everyone, in this video I'm going to show you on how you can link GCash to App Store. So the first thing that you have to do is go to your settings on your iPhone, and from here you just go ahead and tap on your Apple ID, which is your name at the top, which is this one. So in here you just have to tap on the payments and shipping. So let's just wait for it to load. So in here you just have to type in your password. There we have it. So in here, you just go ahead and tap on this add payment method and choose GCash. So from here, you can log into GCash directly. So click on that one. So you just have to make sure that you have GCash downloaded to your iPhone or device. So let's just wait for it to load. And from here, you just have to log into your GCash. And in here, you just have to click on this I have read and understood the GCash terms and condition and tap on authorize from here. So that's pretty much it. That's how you can link GCash to App Store. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!